did it.
Happy Halloween.
You mean Pinkoween, right?
What do you mean, Sandy? There's no such thing as a Pinkoween.
Oh, you just wait. Let's go inside. I'll show you exactly what I mean.
All right, let's go. On this.
Adventure that
Rocks.
rocks.
Okay, we're in Michael's and Sandy is not kidding. Pink ghosts. Glittery, shimmery pink ghosts with pink bows, pink shoes. What's down here? More pink ghosts with pink. Is this like Barbie ghosts? Now, is Pinkoween a thing? We are in Michael's and I do want to point out, notice the pink paper behind all the pink ghosts. So I'm guessing Sandy's correct. Pinkoween could possibly be a thing. Let's see what else they got that's pink and Halloweeny. What'd you find, Sandy?
Happy Pinkoween.
Vampire fangs.
It's pink.
Shouldn't they be blood red? What else do they have? Glittery skulls, pink skulls, more pink skulls, more pink skulls. There's even a pink pumpkin with a bat on it. Pink ghost. Oh no, I think Sandy's right. Pinkoween is becoming a thing. Pink cats. More pink
look, there's
ghosts.
a spider.
Pink spiders. Pink cats that are stretching. They're even cute cats. Pink and Halloween.
They're smiling.
They're not supposed to be cute.
They don't
Even
have
the
fangs.
skeleton family is turning pink. What's going on?
You could be a bad witch, or you could be a good witch. What are you?
Oh, look at that.
You feeling bad? I like the pink.
You get your pink pumpkins.
Get in, loser.
With pink sunglasses on.
So I love it. And hearts.
There's even a pink Halloween wreath. And you know it's Halloween because look, it does have skulls and spiders on it. But pink skulls. At least the spiders stayed black on this wreath.
Skulls.
You're
skull.
kidding. A pink throw blanket of skulls?
Yeah, it's nice and fluffy too.
Fluffy I kind of get for fall weather,
See?
but pink and skulls?
See the skulls?
Hmm,
With hearts. Gotta
what's
have
going on?
the hearts.
I mean, look at all this. It's all pink. Is goth really pink? You got this. Cute. Halloween's not supposed to be cute. What on earth is going on here at Michael's with all the pink Halloween?
I love it.
And there's more from that. I gotta show you. I still can't believe it. Happy Pinkoween, she says.
Oops.
Look at this, a pink boo book. Get in, loser, we're going haunty in a pink car. Pink bow around this. I'm not understanding. What is she getting all dolled up in pink for? Holding a pink makeup thing. Maybe this skeleton's floating around in a pink tube, and a pink bathtub, and another pink car. Spooky, I don't think this stuff is spooky. Howdy, boo. Look, more pink for your tea light candles on the skeleton arm. Even the dog skeletons got pink collars. Look at the cats. There's just pink, pink, pink. More pink, pink. Pink hearts with what on earth? From your pink skeleton cookie jars, I guess that's what that is. To party platters to, I like the countdown, but it's a pink haunted house. Is that what that's supposed to be? I'm so confused. Bored to death? Look at all these hearts, pink. VHS tapes I know were black, not pink. More, you got this. More, it's pink everywhere. And I know we're having fun. And keep following us because we will eventually do a full-blown Michael's Halloween video. However, Sandy tells me there's more stores we gotta hit that's giving us Pinkoween. Okay, Sandy, you were right about Michael's and all that pink stuff, but that can't be the case with all stores.
Maybe, maybe not. Let's find
no.
out.
Is it spreading?
It's spreading.
Let's take a walk inside Home Goods and see. It can't be spreading. That was a one-time thing, right?
Nope.
Right? Nope. Okay, Sandy may be onto something here because, yes, there's more pink. It's not just in Michael's. We're in Home Goods, and look at all the pink in here. We haven't even mentioned about Summerween. So I understand the pink for Summerween because it's just like a fun take. Like, look at even how they have it tagged, Icy Repose Latte. Is that really what that says? What's this one say? Here lies summer. So I get all the fun Summerween stuff. Look at it. But this pink stuff, even a pink cauldron that says trick or treat, pink pumpkins with ghosts on them. Look, even these decanters here, if that's what you call it. No, it's not a decanter, but whatever this is, it's like a skull glass piece that's pink. It's pink. Your pink cars, your pink skull candle holders. Wait, Sandy's got a big pink spider.
He's so cute.
She's loving all the pink stuff here. Pink candy corn.
I think he bounces too.
More pink pumpkins.
No, he doesn't bounce.
More pink jack-o'-lanterns. Look at this great big trick-or-treat tin. I would have never thought a few years ago, if you told me pink was a thing, that I would believe you. But obviously, we're finding it. I don't even know what to say about all the purple. Purple has been a Halloween color, but this is like pastel purple that they have mixed in here. Not like deep color purple that's scary. No, we're talking like a pinkish purple and Hello Kitty. Let's check out what's in Marshall's. Even Marshall's is getting in on the Pinkoween action. Look at this. Your ghost holding pink pumpkins. Yeah, I see you over there. Yeah, I see that big grin on your face. More pink skeletons. Look at all this pink, a pink skull right there. That purple-esque. More shades of pink. It's happening everywhere. Even look at these. They look like friendly skulls.
They don't have...
From your skeletons, your ghost bouquets of flowers, your pretty pink ghosts with bows on them. Just more and more pink Halloween. Even the box is pink. And it says Goblin and Cool. They even have like monstrous cupcakes, pink frosted. I don't know about you, but how ghoulish is pink Boogos? Okay, Sandy, 3 stores so far. You've proven pink is becoming a Halloween color, but surely it can't be in every store.
I have a feeling it is.
Let's go inside at home. This has to be a fad, right? Tell me it's a fad.
I don't think so. I think it's here to stay.
Let's go and look inside at home.
Anyway. Let's go.
They actually have pink skeleton wall decors in here, but that's not all I'm seeing. They have a fun pink-ish skeleton unicorn? Are unicorns Halloween-y? Pink table runners, pink Halloween placemats. What is this, another table runner? Pink mugs? What did you find? That says, let's go, ghouls. Oh, brother.
Yeah, Shania Twain.
More pink skeletons. Okay, you guys aren't going to believe this. Now, when we were walking to this, I thought this was Christmas garland. And as we get up close, oh no. This is pink Halloween garland. I mean, you could probably keep it for Christmas maybe, if that's your thing, or Valentine's Day. I mean, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it really is that pink. Who would have thought this was gonna ever become a thing, this Pinkoween? And there's more. I mean, Sandy, hold up that pillow right there. Look, fluffy pillows, white and pink. In my spooky era, I don't think pink is spooky. You can't convince me of this. Love you to the tomb and back. What did you find?
An inflatable pumpkin pink with hearts.
Why do I have a feeling that's coming home with? Look at this. White ghost with pink jack-o'-lanterns. Pink jack-o'-lanterns. Pink, pink, pink. Pink and purple skulls. Pink pumpkins. Pink. Pink tic-tac-toe. Halloween tic-tac-toe. But pink? Who started all this? I gotta know. Did Barbie start this? Is this the Barbie revolution, Sandy? I don't think that ghost is scaring anybody. Boo. Pink. Okay, Sandy, I guess you're right. Pinkoween, I guess, is becoming a thing.
Yay!
Who would have thunk it?
I know, really, right?
We hope you enjoyed this look at all things pink for Halloween that we found in 4 stores.
So far.
I still can't believe it. But don't worry, we are coming back to hit up each store to do an official Adventures That Rock Halloween video. And trust me, this at-home store is loaded with Halloween stuff. Real Halloween stuff.
The spooky kind, not the pink spooky kind.
You're gonna want to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already.
What's waiting for?
Because you never know where we're going to end up next. However, you can be sure if it has anything to do with spooks, thrills, pumpkins, we're going to make it an adventure that rocks. Pinkoween, who would have thought? Stay tuned because we will be back for the good stuff. Oh yeah, the good stuff.